Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. In today's video, we are going to try 5 summer drinks which you can enjoy this season. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And don't forget to like, share and comment. So the first drink we are going to make is mango mojito, since mango is in season. So for that I'll need mango. I've just roughly cut the mangoes and kept it ready. I have some sugar syrup, some mint leaves, some red chili flakes, some lime juice and some soda. You can use Sprite instead of soda as well. So let's start making the mojito. So in a bowl I've taken the mango pulp. To this we'll add a few mint leaves. And then we'll use a pestle and mortar attachment to muddle this. So the mango and the mint has been muddled together. Now I've taken the glass in which I'm going to serve the mojito. We'll transfer the mango pulp to the bottom of the glass. Now we'll add sugar syrup or powdered sugar. If you're using Sprite, you can reduce the amount of sugar that you add because Sprite will have sugar in it. But since I'm using soda, I'm going to be using more of sugar syrup. So I'm going to add the sugar syrup into the mango. Mix it well. I'll also be adding a little bit of lime juice, about 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Add some ice. And then we'll top it with some soda. Mix it once again. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes on top of this for a kick. So this will give it a nice kick when you drink it. So I've added the red chili flakes. I'm going to just add one mint leaf on top. And my mango mojito is ready. So the next drink we are making is the humble buttermilk, but we are making this with a twist. So for that we need water. I'm using curd in here. If you have buttermilk, you can use buttermilk. I've got some amla or gooseberry, some ginger, green chili and some curry leaves. You could also add some cumin seeds to this drink, but I'm going to make it with using these ingredients. So let's start making the buttermilk. So into a blending jar, first we're going to add the curry leaves, the green chili, ginger and the amla. I'm going to cut pieces of the amla. Just 2 slices will be sufficient for a glass of buttermilk. We'll add salt to taste. If you want, you can also add black salt to this. So first we'll blend it with some water. So let me just blend that and come back. So you can see everything has been blended nicely. So into the bowl now goes the curd. and we'll blend that once again and come back. So the buttermilk is ready. I've placed a piece of amla on the glass and it's ready to be served. So for the frosted lemonade, you'll need lemon juice. If you can get lemons, then you can use freshly squeezed lemon juice. Since I didn't get lemons, I'm using store-bought lemonade concentrate. You'll also need powdered sugar and some water for the initial stage. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to make a lime syrup and refrigerate it. So I'm going to take about 1/4 of a cup of the concentrate. If you're using freshly squeezed lemons, you will need lesser than 1/4 cup. So that's almost 1/4 cup. I'm going to pour it into this bowl. We'll add sufficient sugar. I've powdered the sugar here. Mix it well so that the sugar dissolves in the concentrate. We'll pour water. I poured almost a cup of water. Make sure the sugar is nicely dissolved. Now what we'll do is, we'll refrigerate this solution until it is nice and chilled. So the lemon concentrate has chilled in the refrigerator nicely. We're going to take about 1/4 cup of the concentrate into a blending jar. Into this we'll add some vanilla ice cream. And now we'll go blend this and come back. So the lemon concentrate and the ice cream has been blended nicely and the frosted lemonade is ready. So the next drink we are going to make is a watermelon milkshake. So for that you need some dices of watermelon. I've removed the seeds, some sugar and some chilled milk. So let's start making the drink. So into a blending jar I've added the milk. In goes the watermelon. You can add sugar based on how sweet your watermelon is. So I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons. Now we'll just blend this nicely. I've blended everything together and the watermelon milkshake is ready. It almost resembles a strawberry milkshake. So you can serve this chilled. So the next drink we are going to make is simple lime soda. For this we need water, soda, powdered sugar, some ice cubes, lime juice, and I'm using a little bit of mint. You could also add some lemon wedges. So let's start making the soda. So I've taken a glass in here. Into that I'm going to pour around 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. In goes powdered sugar as required. We'll also add a pinch of salt. You can make it just using salt or a combination of salt and sugar. So we'll just dissolve the sugar in the lime juice. Now we'll pour water halfway through. Mix it well. Add in the mint leaves. And now we'll add the ice and the soda. It's super simple to make, but a very good drink. You can probably drink this daily as well. I hope you liked the recipes I've shared in this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment below. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.